fence. Oh, shit, the fence is right there. Go on. Get out of here. Get. Stay. Stay. Don't dive behind the fucking cow. Shooting from a goddamn fence. Oh, he's done. Cow's coming over. Fuck. I'm leaning on a goddamn fence. Shit, dude. You got fucked up. Would you move? Oh my god, I got a cow like 2 feet from me. Well, let's go retrieve him. Ugh.